Imagine waking up every morning, looking in the mirror, and seeing naturally radiant, glowing skin, without makeup, without filters. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, today, I'm going to show you how to make that dream a reality using 100% natural ingredients that work wonders for your skin. Stay till the end because I'll reveal 2 of the best secret remedies you don't want to miss. Story time. The ancient glow secret. Centuries ago, queens and royals didn't have fancy skincare brands or expensive serums. Instead, they relied on the purest, most natural ingredients found in nature. Cleopatra, famous for her flawless skin, bathed in milk and honey. Indian Ayurveda has used turmeric and sandalwood for centuries to brighten the skin. The secret to healthy, glowing skin has always been in nature. 1. Hydration, the glow from within. First things first, hydration is key. Your skin is like a plant. If you don't water it, it wilts. Drink at least 8 glasses of water daily and add hydrating foods like cucumbers, watermelon, and oranges to your diet. Want an instant skin refresher? Try drinking lemon water with honey every morning to detox your body and give your skin a fresh start. Hydration equals the foundation of glowing skin. 2. Superfoods for radiant skin. Have you ever heard the saying, "You are what you eat"? Well, when it comes to your skin, it's absolutely true. Avocados, almonds, berries, and green tea are packed with antioxidants and essential fatty acids that fight wrinkles, improve elasticity, and add a natural glow. Try making a simple green smoothie with spinach, banana, and almond milk. It's like skincare in a glass. Eat clean, glow naturally. 3. Exfoliation, the secret to smooth skin. Your skin sheds dead cells every day, but sometimes they don't fall off on their own. That's where exfoliation comes in. A simple DIY scrub made from oatmeal, honey, and yogurt gently removes dead skin, unclogs pores, and leaves you with a baby-soft glow. How to make it? 1. TBSP oatmeal gently exfoliates. TBSP honey moisturizes and heals. TBSP yogurt brightens and soothes. Mix, apply in circular motions, leave for 10 mins and rinse. Exfoliate 1-2 times a week for best results. 4. DIY glow boosting face masks. Now, let's get into my favorite part, face masks. These will make your skin feel like it just had a spa day. Turmeric glow. Mask 1. Teaspoon of turmeric powder. Teaspoon of yogurt, teaspoon of honey. Apply for 10 minutes, then rinse with warm water. Turmeric brightens, honey hydrates, and yogurt exfoliates for a gorgeous glow. Honey and lemon brightening mask. 1 teaspoon of raw honey. 1/2 teaspoon of fresh lemon juice. Apply for 5-10 minutes and rinse. It's packed with natural enzymes that gently exfoliate and hydrate, giving you an instant glow boost. Nature's best skincare right in your kitchen. The 2 best secret remedies for glowing skin. You've stayed till the end, so now it's time for the ultimate glow secrets. These 2 remedies have been used for generations to get flawless skin, and I promise you, they work. Secret number 1, rice water toner. This is a Korean beauty secret that has been used for centuries. Rice water is packed with vitamins, amino acids, and minerals that tighten pores, brighten skin, and reduce fine lines. How to make it? Soak 1/2 cup of rice in 1 cup of water for 30 minutes. Strain the rice and store the water in the fridge. Apply it daily using a cotton pad as a toner. Secret number 2, ice cube facial. This trick will give you an instant glow in just seconds. Rubbing an ice cube made of green tea, cucumber juice, or aloe vera gel helps reduce puffiness, tighten skin, and give you a natural glow. Try it every morning. How to do it? Pour green tea, aloe vera, or cucumber juice into an ice tray. Freeze and rub an ice cube on your face for 30-60 seconds. Watch your skin wake up and glow instantly. Achieving naturally glowing skin is easier than you think. Start with these simple remedies, and you'll see the magic happen. Try them out and comment below which one worked best for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more beauty tips. Until next time, stay glowing.